When we get down to the nitty-gritty of electronics, there is one medium that brings it all together: the printed circuit board, or PCB. Without this medium of mediums, today's electronic systems could not exist. Take a look around you. It is rare to find any electronic device that does not have a PCB in it. So, what's the big deal about the PCB? They have been around for years. Isn't the PCB nothing more than a bunch of copper lines connecting point A to point B? The PCB of today is not the PCB of yesterday. The PCB has had to adapt to handle both the ever-decreasing component sizes and an ever-increasing number of pins per component. Most of all, this is no longer an exercise in connecting point A to point B. The high-speed designs of today require knowledge of the physical PCB design structure to get a clean and intact signal from point A to point B. It may surprise you to know that knowledge skills of PCB design does not come from college degrees or academia. It comes from experience, tribal knowledge, topic-related training, and various gems of information scattered in books, articles, and the internet. At 9.Connects, we are a PCB-centric organization. We provide training, coaching, and consulting on all aspects of the PCB design. Our staff is composed of industry experts who have decades of experience in the fields of circuit design, library methodology, PCB layout, PCB manufacturing, and test. We understand that there is no one-size-fits-all. Each customer and their needs are unique. That is why we offer consulting services and on-site training that provide both the proverbial fish and the fishing skills. Our training and coaching sessions can be customized to meet your company needs. While public offered training sessions are to maximize headcount, we prefer on-site training programs which we can provide at a price comparable to public training. Complementary to our services, we represent and use various PCB software products for our services. These are products that we not only believe and use for our services, we support them as well. There is far more to 9.Connects than we can fit into this brief introductory video. We invite you to check us out at 9.Connects.com. There you will find commentary on various aspects of the PCB design, our training, consulting, coaching offerings, and videos on many PCB-related topics. We provide this free to you to prove to you that we know PCBs. We also invite you to our monthly webinars where we cover pertinent PCB topics. So, if your PCB is getting the best of you, contact us here at 9.Connects so that you can get the best out of your PCB.